That slow timescale for construction projects creates another way that costs go up. Designing a big project is like navigating a big ship. If things start moving in the wrong direction, the time to fix it is already past. So we don't do it all in one fell swoop. You have a bunch of milestones where you stop and check the progress because going back to the drawing board is time-consuming and expensive. The issue with this process is that the further a project matures, the more people get involved. Once you've established feasibility, the bosses and bosses' bosses start to weigh in with their advice. Once you have a preliminary design, it gets sent out to regulators and permitting agencies. Once you have some nice renderings, you hold public meetings and get citizens involved. And with all those cooks in the kitchen participating in the design process, does the project get simpler and more straightforward? Almost never. There is no perfect project that makes everyone happy, so you end up making compromises and adding features to allay all the new stakeholders. This may seem like a bunch of added red tape, but it really is a good thing in a lot of ways. There was a time when major infrastructure projects didn't consider all the stakeholders or environmental impacts. And sure, the projects got done more quickly, efficiently, and at a lower cost on the surface, but the reality is that those costs just got externalized to populations of people who had little say in the process and to the environment. I'm not saying we're perfect now, but we're definitely more thoughtful about the impacts projects have, and we pay the cost for those impacts more directly than we used to.